daily life of Punjabis is very normal. But when there are some enjoyable moments, then Punjabis break out their boundaries and enjoy their self. So, Punjabis are also known for their strong determination, vivacity, and helpful nature. So, Punjabi always ready to help others, and their culture present determination and a multi-hood heritage of ancient civilizations. There are many beliefs of Punjabis. One of them is a guest in Punjab is considered as a representative sent by God and is well looked after. So moving toward the traditional dresses. The traditional dresses of women is the salwar kameez, and Punjabis mostly like to wear dresses of bright color. That's why my presentation is also very colorful. So the salwar kameez, the top of the dress is called kameez, and the bottom of the dress is called salwar. And there is also a dupatta. It is like a scarf to tie. So mostly women like to wear traditional dresses on various occasions like weddings and festivals. So the kurta pajama is the traditional dresses of men, and the upper part of the attire is called kurta and the bottom part is called pajama. And mostly this muksri style kurta pajama is very famous. And there is also a main part in Punjabi attires of men, that is turban. So turban is just like a crown on their head, and they are very possessive about it. So Punjabis cannot tolerate any abusive language about their turban. So the salwar, talking about the salwar, which is very famous among nations of India, that is Patiala Shahi Salwar. So it is very colorful dresses of Punjabis. So it is a main part of their life. So moving toward the dances. So first of all, that is Gidda. A native Punjabi tradition is a humorous song and a dance genre performed by women. It is just as energetic as Bhangra, and at the same time, it is managed to creativity, display feminine grace, elegance, and flexibility. It is very colorful group dance and mainly performed on festivals and social occasions. The dance is followed by rhythmic clapping, so there is no need of any instrument. The folk song is sung by the leader of the group. So I will share you the video of Gedda. So this is Gidda performed by women of Punjab, and mostly in monsoon season in August, women are collected at some common place and like to perform Gidda to enjoy monsoon season. So the main part of the Punjabi culture is none other than Bhangra. So every festival and event in Punjab is incomplete without Bhangra. So Bhangra can be performed by women and men also. So it is also a group dance, and it is performed on a double-headed drum called dole. So it is performed on the beat of dole. So this is the Bhangra. So it is very energetic group dance, and Punjabi people like to express their joy by performing this dance. So moving towards the cuisines of Punjab. So Punjabi food is very much like Punjabis, rich, full of life and flavors. There are many famous dishes, but sarson ka saag and makki ki roti, known as mustard leaves and cornbread, are very famous examples. And Punjabi cuisines incorporate generous quantities of milk, curd, butter, and cream in cooking of fresh vegetable and meats. So mostly Punjab is very popular for their farming, and people like to grow vegetables in farms and also at their homes. So in addition to these, Punjabis have created a combination of the Northwest frontier cuisines and Mughalai recipes. The ubiquitous is tandoori chicken is very popular. So the tandoor is just like an underground oven. So it is like to this is like to bake any food underground. So the funnel cake is a dessert. It is very famous in Punjabi food. It can be served warm and cool. So talking about the community kitchen is called langar in gurdwaras, and Punjabi's legendary warmth and hospitality assures that anyone who passes through their land will return well fed. Indeed, the tradition of Langar community kitchen initiated by the first Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. So they came from the belief that food is central to the communal bonding. So this service is free, available at every gurudwaras of Punjab. So moving toward the festivals of Punjab. So Punjab is also a land of festivals. There are so many festivals in Punjab. So the most popular among those is Diwali and Baisakhi. Diwali is celebrated in the last of October or at the first week of November. It is a festival of lights, and the people started dusting and cleaning of their houses before month of this festival, and it symbolized the spiritual victory of the light over darkness and good over evil. So at night, people lighten the small lights and diya and the fireworks and crackers make the movement to catch in the cameras. So there is also a famous proverb in Punjabi language, "Dal roti kar di" and "Diwali Amritsar di," which means uh, which means that food made at home considered in Punjab the best, and the Diwali celebration is considered the best in Golden Temple. I will talk about Golden Temple later in my presentation. So the Bisakhi is the harvest festival for Punjabis. Bisakhi makes the ripening of harvest and that are sown in winter and harvested in the spring. It also marks the Punjabi New Year. So on this day is observed as a Thanksgiving Day by farmers. why farmers pay their tribute and thanking God for the abundant harvest and also paying for future prosperity. So on Baisakis, also people like to perform bhangra and express their joy, and they enjoy a lot. So, talking about the main tourist place, that is Golden Temple. So, it is very popular tourist place in Punjab, and Golden Temple is built around a man-made pool that is called Sarovar in Punjabi. It was completed by the fourth Sikh Guru, Guru Ram Das Ji, and it is an open house of worship for all men and women from all walks of life and faith. It has secure plan with four entrance, which means people from all directions are welcome here. Free community kitchen is also available here. Almost in every gurudwara, free community kitchen is there, and people can eat food there at free. So this is very famous tourist place, and it is nominated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So whenever anyone visit Punjab, so no one can return back without visiting the Golden Temple. So the art and craft of Punjab. So Punjab is also very rich in its art and craft. Punjabis are very popular and creative. So the Amritsar city of Punjab is the hub of art, and mostly the basketry of Punjab and the clay modeling is very famous. So the pitcher are made by clay. These are served as a refrigerator in summer. So the water in pitcher remains cold. So it is also very beneficial for health. And the Punjabi footwear that is called Punjabi Jutti. You can see at the bottom of my slide that is Punjabi Jutti. It is very popular. So women mostly like to wear Punjabi Jutti with their Punjabi suit. So among those, there are more many arts which are very popular in Punjab. So Punjab is very creative, and its farming is very popular, and the dairy product is also imported and exported at the international level. So that's all about Punjab, but there are many more information, so I can't explain everything. So that's all about my presentations. Hope you will learn something from it.